Want to flex your achievements with a badge on your eFootball profile? You can quickly add a badge and make your profile stand out from the crowd. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and display a badge on your eFootball profile using Android. Let's jump right in. Launch eFootball on your device. Go to the main menu. After that, tap Extras. Tap on your profile icon on the left side. Now tap on the profile picture option. After that, tap the set option under the username. Now browse through available badges. Select the one you want to display. Some badges are unlocked through events, achievements, or progress. After confirming, tap Set. Then select for the slot and tap Confirm. Go back to your profile to see the badge applied. And that's how you add a badge to your profile in eFootball on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more fast, easy tips and gaming tutorials.